Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pesto dressing. Let's gather our fresh ingredients to begin this simple recipe. You will need about 1 1/2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 1/3 cup of pine nuts, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Also, have 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil and 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice ready. Now, let's start blending. Place your fresh basil leaves, pine nuts, garlic cloves, Parmesan cheese, salt, and black pepper into your food processor or blender. Pulse these ingredients 4 to 5 times. This will give them a rough chop, creating the base for our delicious dressing. Remember to scrape down the sides of the bowl to ensure everything is evenly combined. Next, with the food processor running, slowly drizzle in the 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil through the feeder tube. Continue blending for about 45 seconds until the dressing becomes creamy and smooth. Then, add the 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice and pulse once or twice to incorporate it. Taste your dressing and adjust the salt or lemon juice to your preference for a perfect balance of flavors. Your easy pesto dressing is now ready. If you prefer a thinner consistency, simply add a splash more olive oil or a tiny bit of water and blend again. This vibrant dressing is perfect for salads, roasted vegetables, or as a marinade. Store any leftovers in a tightly sealed jar in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Just let it come to room temperature and shake well before using again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.